Master here, Joe Beer Master here. Today we have a 23 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I'm going to show you what you have to do to take the headlight out. I'm already in the process of it. This vehicle was hit on this side. It's got moisture in there. But this is very difficult to get out. You got to pretty much take the bumper down, take the moldings off, take the grill out. The first thing we did was take the screws out of the liner here. They were 8mm screws. Then we pop this wheel opening molding off. You do it very carefully. It does come out. You gotta watch you don't break the clips. Then there was a push pin in here. We took that push pin out. Also, there's a 10mm bolt that goes on the inside, goes down. You can reach from in here. We took that 10mm out. Then I pulled on this. I don't know if it's because it's in an accident, but you have to really pull hard. And it does pop off of there. So the idea is to get this bumper down and open. And with that, the grill's going to come off. And it's going to give us access to this headlight. This bolt holds it in. This bolt holds it in. That clip holds it in. So we're going to start with that and see what that brings us. If you need to change a bulb, you can actually do it from the back, I believe, or through the fender liner. Down through here, you'd have to take the fender liner down, and you can access it from the back there. But right now, I'm taking the headlight out, so that's what we're doing. So I took every bolt out on the top here. They were hex heads or Torx heads. Everyone's out. Then I went under here, all the way under here. There's some push pins in here behind this flare, this spoiler. And there's 8mm all along the bottom. I took them out just to get to free up this bumper to get this headlight out. Now it's a little shaky, but it is what it is. So I took every bolt out up top here. They were Torx heads. And went under here. I took the 8mm out there. Behind the spoiler is 3 clips. I'm going to try to swing that bumper out. It's crazy you got to go through all this. There's the clips. To do this. Amazing. 10mm out all the way here. Underneath here is little push pins. You got to get the push pins too. I don't have very good lighting and I'm doing this on the fly. There's another push pin. I'm just taking everything out to free it up. It's crazy. So I got, what holds the light in is 4 bolts. There's one here, one way in the back, one on the top, and then one on the top over here. So that's what holds it in. There's the wire. So everything we did, we had to release this bumper cover and the grill to open it up to slide the headlight out. Had to even do everything underneath. All the clips on the bottom side, the top here.